subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Good morning friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Sir Abdul Sattar Khan 11th English 1.5 Mrs. Addis Icebreakers देखेंगे. Let's begin. Share your opinion, feelings with your partner about a stranger who has a villainous look and appearance. I feel one should not judge a book by its cover. Appearance can be deceptive. I feel it is sympathetic and I feel suspicious. I feel frightened. The feelings of a person when he commits a mistake are he tries to justify it. इसका आंसर है he she tries to justify it. He she tries to blame someone else. He she tries to pretend it is not he who has done it. He she is openly defiant about it. He she is unashamed and unrepentant. The person who makes a mistake or commits a crime should be punished because he she will learn not to repeat it. Second है others will learn from his her experience and won't dare to do so. Other people in society will be saved from him her if he she decides to commit the same crime again. This is the only way we can keep law and order in a country as densely populated as India.